Hi everyone, welcome to Edapt. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what kind of jobs you can actually do while studying in abroad. As soon as your paperwork is sorted out, you need to decide on a job that allows you the flexibility to balance alongside your schoolwork. But remember, your priority in any study abroad program, as it is in the name, is to study. Especially if you happen to be staying on a study visa, whether or not you can stay in the country or no depends upon your performance in the school. So make sure you manage your time and energy efficiently. Further, we'll discuss a few ways of getting a job while studying abroad. So without any further delay, let's just quickly get started with the video. Number 1. Work on campus. Many schools offer a chance to work as a part of your school staff. While student visas can be restrictive about jobs off campus, you can get very well paid working experience within the campus. Such jobs include school tour guides for visitors and new students, administrative support, tech support, working in the library, or research assistant. In most cases, your working hours will be limited to 20 hours per week, but you will get paid for those hours, and it is a good way to start earning while studying abroad. Number 2. Freelancing. This is an ideal way to ensure that you also have the flexibility of time to focus on your studies. Online platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are a great way to publicize your skills online at your own pace without compromising on your grades. Another lucrative way to earn money during your free time is to teach English online. If you have some experience in this field, then you can find these jobs pretty easily. But if you don't have any experience, then you can gain some by doing some courses online. Number 3. Paid internships or job transfers abroad. If you already have some work experience or if you're currently employed in a company, check if that company has any branches or offices overseas so that you can work while you're abroad. As long as you're not replacing a local employee, you can continue working from home in another country, which will be an amazingly immersive experience and a great way to earn while studying abroad. So these are a few things you can do if you want to work and earn and study abroad at the same time. Want to learn more? You can get assistance from Edapt. We would be pleased to help you. Download the app now. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.